Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, fischertechnik and robotics. If you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe via the thumbnail in the bottom right corner. As you can see, the focus of this video is the walking robot Mirft2, made of fischertechnik, based on the TXT controller, which runs embedded Linux and is programmed in Python and controlled via Wi-Fi. The last time I found the cause of an issue with this particular set of gears, which I have to adjust because this part is currently sliding, which makes the gear slip. But as you can also see, the robot is off balance. It's leaning to it behind, and if I remove this battery pack and put it here, the balance is solved. So the real simple solution is to put this somewhere here in order to restore balance, and hopefully that works out. So the two main tasks for this video is reconstruction of this part here, if I can manage it, and then restoring balance. So let's see how that works out. The solution to this moving flexible stuff is put this part here and fix this one with a similar one with this fischertechnik bolt. But when I do that, I cannot remove this one anymore, so this one will have to go first. And I'm going to relocate it anyway because of the stability or the balance. So this has to go as well, and this has to go as well. And they are both needed, or were both needed, for connecting here. So now I slide this one in here, and now it's connected. So it's now completely rigid, which is good. And there won't be a gear problem anymore, I hope. Which brings to the following: restoring balance. Somehow, not here, but here. Because here is the place of the onboard camera, which is connected here. So that's the next step, how to do that, the balance that is. The first idea is, now this camera is in place, to make the same construction as with this battery pack, but it is impossible because here is obviously a USB connector. So with this battery pack not yet mounted, it is quite imbalanced. And when I put this one here anyway, it's immediately off balance. So it has to be here. And then with this wire, it's easily connected. But then again, how to mount it? Can I mount it anyway? Because I have to have space to put the camera in here and remove it. So that's a nice challenge. I should have to put the camera either like this or like this, and high enough so I can easily remove the camera and the camera cable. So that is some designing, thinking. So then this is a possible solution. Kind of hovering over the interface, with which I'm not particularly happy, but like I said, it's a solution. I can change this so it is really on top of it, but this may be better when removing that connector. So on front it looks like this. So this may be a balancing solution. And next is to see how it does behave on the floor. So that is next, and that also means that I'm going to change into screencast. So that is next. And this is then a screencast, familiar environment, 3 terminals, but I have it logged in since, as you can see, the screen is quite grey instead of showing pictograms. So I have to do it over. It will be accessible, but I need to see something. And right now I cannot. So this is the screen I want to see. So let's see how far it can get. Alright, now it's better, and a pictogram is clearly shown. That is 1 and that is 2. So I don't have to remove the battery pack back or forth, because this is the way I want to touch the touchscreen. How further? Log in. And this should go easy. Date I have to set as usual. So this is 8 and 4, 13, 41. That's better. Code, and then here the same thing. Well, almost the same, because here I will run the coder. Then, important, this is good, and that is good, although it has come down from 9 volts, so I'm wondering how it will keep up. But the only thing I want to do is see how things run, and the only thing to do that is actually running. So let's run. Slightly different view. There is the object right here. So let's go. 2 seconds for the camera, and then it should run with the speed. Yes, so I make it for 50. And battery goes completely off. That is not what I had expected. So will it turn on again? It does, but for how long? And how much voltage is over it? That is the big question. Because I do know that when the battery pack was right here, it did function, and I did not change the cables, the wiring, so to say. Okay, that's 1 and that is 2, and now back to Rubber Pro. Voltage and voltage. Okay, no change there. So without a real change in the voltage, it went off. That's not good. Alright, back online again. Now the question is, what has this given me? Because one image has been copied, which is this one, which is quite nice. And in the same manner, the next one, which is the result. Oh, which is 0%. Don't bother. Then running and see if it keeps running. And actually I suspect if it goes wrong, this connector. We'll see. And I have to give speed again, of course. That does work. So why doesn't this? Yeah, right. So the idea seems to be that it is a bit too heavy. But I can't believe it, because it did run in the past with the same weight. It's just now a balancing weight. And I have a voltage of 7.4, which I directly have to measure now. 8.3 against 7.4? Really? I doubt it. Okay. I will have to run again. Alright, last attempt for this time. What will it do without any intervention? It won't move and it goes off. So immediately power on. Will it power on completely? No. I have doubts. Because the display flashed. Now it comes on. Okay, it's a total load as far as I can see it. I want to see the icon. Yes. Back in business, sort of, but apart from having two solutions, one here and one here, I have another question: why does it power off again? And well, if I check this connector, it will power off. But anyway, that's for now. So with two parts of reconstruction and some weird power failure, including failure to actually walk, I say thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for getting notified for new videos, and you can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. Please do support via either PayPal or Ko-fi or become a patron. More information on my website and under the video or at the last segment of this video. This is obviously going to be continued. So for now, stay safe, have a great day, take care, bye.